Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. It's the end of November. Normally we'll be under snow and ice by now and all gardening stuff would have finished. However, we've had snow and it's gone, and we've got some milder temperatures. There's about 1 or 2 today. So I can get on and do some prep in the garden. I wasn't expecting to make any more gardening videos this year, but it's an opportunity to get some fertility in the garden, something that was desperately needed. And I found a really good supply of gold, gardener's gold, off site. So we're going to jump in the car in a minute, drive off site. I'm going to show you my supply of what I've got. I've got the car loaded up here with some big, what are they? Troughs, I suppose, big buckets and some bags that we normally put the compost in. We'll nip down the road and then fill up the car, and I'll show you what's there. It's pretty impressive, I must say. And we'll load up and then we'll come back and get it on the garden. So let's go. Okay, so here we are. Look at this. Just for scale, there's the car. There's a shovel, full length. So there's this mound of, there's a cow shed here and there's cows around somewhere. But the farmer dumps his manure. How many years of manure? The mound sort of starts over there, goes up, must be about 10 feet tall, 9. What's that, 2 or 3, 2.5 meters, something like that. Down there, it goes all the way around the back there to those, oh, some cows over there. But all the way, look how, it's even higher there. That's all manure, all of it, all for taking. We have asked him once, would he bring some to us, but he's too busy. You know, for money, not obviously for free. So it relies on us to get it ourselves, really. Let's take a look at this stuff a bit closer. So, a bit sticky down there. There's obviously different layers, and there's some that's at the bottom which is composted nicely. But if you look at this stuff, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at the texture of it. No doubt if I go down deeper, there's worms in there. Some of it a little bit drier. How deep does it go? It's not really clear, but that doesn't look like native soil there. That's still manure there, I think. Yeah. So it goes down quite deeply across there. That's a bit lighter. That looks like leaf mould compost there, maybe. Maybe in years gone by, they put leaves in the stables. That's not that unusual here. But we can take, you know, as much of this as we like, really. You can see that this has been taken by other people as well. We've not taken all this, so other people do pop along and take some, but I need a fair bit. So let's get on and get some dug up, and we can keep looking at it. Lovely stuff. Right, let's get the car loaded up and then we can go back home. There we go, all done. You've just seen the drone footage, I suppose. So yeah, that's going to be a really nice fertile bed. This one here was done 2 weeks ago, something like that. Maybe not quite as thick, but again, it was a whole carload for one bed, and that seems maybe excessive or a lot, but I really want some good fertility, you know, the opportunity to do some real no-dig growing here next year. And we pass that pile quite regularly anyway, so we can pick up more as and when and do these other beds. And these I did the other day with compost that we made ourselves. You can see different batches, different colours. So they're all good. I just need a bit more for the top. Maybe the bottom one we can do with some different types of compost or something, a bit of an experiment next year. But anyway, I'd like to get at least these other 4 beds, covered as well. I mean, that's it. This will be the last I'd probably do this year, depending on the weather really in December, but it's unlikely because it will get cold even if it doesn't snow, so the compost pile will freeze and I won't be able to dig it out. So anyway, that's it. There is our stash of gold, gardener's gold, cow manure, and what a find, eh? Going to be really looking forward to growing next year. Now we've got some really good solid fertility in the beds and on the soil. You know, lots of goodness for the soil and the soil microorganisms to be happy about. There we go. If you enjoyed the video, do give us a thumbs up. Check out some other videos if you've not seen us before. There's plenty to look at, and I'll catch you in another video very soon. Bye for now.